Top 5 Best Cities to Live in the World. In this video, 5 cities that consistently rank among the best places to live in the world based on quality of life, healthcare, safety, infrastructure, environment, and work-life balance. 1. Vancouver, Canada. Vancouver is one of the most popular cities in Canada for international students, professionals, and families. It is located on the west coast of Canada in the province of British Columbia. Vancouver is famous for mountains, forests, beaches, and outdoor activities like hiking, skiing, and cycling. It has one of the mildest climates in Canada. Winters are rainy more than snowy, while summers are pleasant. 2. London, United Kingdom. London's great because it's still, objectively, the most London-wise city in the world. You'd struggle to find a place more varied, idiosyncratic, and exciting anywhere on Earth. If you're talking culture, food, and fun, then nowhere else in the world can compete with the British capital's free museums and galleries, infinite restaurant varieties, and irrepressible pub culture. This year sees not 1, not 2, but 3 significant museum openings, a clutch of justifiably hyped restaurant launches, and a collection of extremely famous names coming to ply their trades in on the city's theater stages and gallery walls. Oh, and once the weather improves a bit, which does happen, eventually, you've also got our world-beating day festival season to look forward to. 3. Melbourne, Australia. Melbourne is the capital city of the Australian state of Victoria and the second largest city in Australia after Sydney. It is famous for its multicultural lifestyle, coffee culture, sports, arts, and live music scene. Population: over 5 million people live in Greater Melbourne. Melbourne is regularly ranked among the world's most livable cities. 4. Auckland, New Zealand. Auckland is the largest city in New Zealand and often called the City of Sails because of its strong maritime culture and the many yachts in its harbors. It sits on the North Island between 2 harbors, the Waitemata and the Manukau, and is built across a volcanic field, which gives it a mix of beaches, green hills, and scenic viewpoints. 5. Geneva, Switzerland. Living in Geneva is often described as high quality but expensive, with a strong focus on safety, international culture, and work-life balance. Geneva is a clean, organized, and highly international city. Many residents work in diplomacy, banking, NGOs, or global companies. You'll regularly hear multiple languages, but French is the main local language. The city sits on the edge of Lake Geneva, with easy access to mountains, parks, and outdoor activities.